Hi boys and girls, this is our math for Thursday. And again, this is something that I have not taught before, but I do understand it and I'm trying to teach it the best way that I can to help you out. Strongly recommend you stick with me through the whole video, okay? It does change so that you have to fill in all of the blanks, but they start you out with some of it, okay? So lattice is just done a little bit differently. I saw this years ago, but I've never had to teach it this way. Now I am. So let's look at lattice multiplication. Okay, so you can see these lines, okay, and I'll show you how they got the answers, okay. So I take 7 times 0, I put zeros in both boxes there. 6 times 0, I put the zeros there. 7 times 2, 7 times 2 is 14, so the 1 goes here, the 4 goes right there. And then 6 times 2 is 12. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it like this. I'm going to add diagonally. Once you're done with the multiplying, you can ignore these numbers. Okay? So 0 plus nothing is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. Now I add between these two lines. 0 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So now I do my adding this way, but my answer starts right there. So my answer, and it will put it up there for you. 1, 5, 2, 0. So 20 times 76 is 1,520. Okay, let's keep going. So they put the 68, 83. Okay, so now 8 times 8 is 64. They always put the tens up above the ones. Okay, 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 6 is 48. There, my tens is up there, my ones is down there. And then 3 times 6 is 18. Tens, ones. So now, if it helps, we can cross those off. Now I add. Here's my diagonal. Okay, so I get 4 here. 4 plus 2 plus 8. I know that 8 plus 2 is 10, so this would be 14. Then I carry my 1 up here. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 16. Put the 6 there. Carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so when you have to carry, you go to the next diagonal row. I added this. I had to carry, so it went here. I had to carry again, so it went in there. So my answer is 5,644. Okay? 44 times 88. 8 times 4 is 32. 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 Remember, your tens go in the upper part, your ones go in the bottom part. Now we add diagonally. Don't add the stuff outside of the box. 2 plus nothing is 2. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 2 plus 3, this would be 6, 7, 8. And then we have our 3. So our answer is 3,872. Okay? 70 times 4, 41. 4 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 4 times 7 is 28. The tens go up in the higher part, ones go in the bottom. And then 1 times 7 would be 7. So we put a 0 right there. Okay, ignore the outside numbers now. Okay, 0, 7, 8, 2. Enter. On IXL, they'll just put the number up here for you, so you don't have to remember that. 70 times 41 is 2,870. Okay, this is the last one where they give us the numbers. 8 times 5 is 40. 1 times, that's actually 10, so 50. Okay. This would be 48. No, this would be just a second. Let me check something, okay? I may have made a mistake here. I did. So this should be a 0 because this is 5 times 1. So this would be 0. And this would be 5. Okay, my apologies. I made a mistake there. So ignoring the outside numbers, we have 8. 6 plus 4 plus 0 is 10. Carry our 1. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10. Carry our 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So it would be 1,008. Okay, so I made a mistake there. 5 times 1 is only 5, not 50. All right, so here we go. We have to fill in all of these boxes. 7 times 2 is 14. Your 10 goes here. 1's goes there. 7 times 3, 21. And it looks, 14, that's how we would write it. That's how we would write 21. 7 times 2 again, 14. Whoops, sorry guys. 7 times 3, 21. Ignore these outside numbers. 4. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. 2. So 32 times 77 equals 2,464. Okay? You always want to start adding down here. All right, we have a few more like that where there's no answers in there. Sorry. 3 more. Okay? So 1 times 3 is 3. So we put a 0 there and 3 down here. 1 times 6 is 6. 0 goes there, 6. 0 times 3, 0. 0 times 6, 0. So now I start adding. 0, 3, 6, and that would be a 0. So 63 times 10 equals 630. Okay? Here I'm adding I'm going to put these on here. 42, 16. 1 times 2 is 2, so I put a 0 up here in the tens. 1 times 4 is 4, put a 0 for the tens. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 4 is 24. I ignore these outside numbers and add. Here's 2. 2 plus 1 plus 4 is 7. 0 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. And that would be a 0. So 42 times 16 equals 672. Okay? I put my numbers on here. You won't have to do that. IXL has that on there for you. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 8 is 8. Remember the tens are up here. This is the ones. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, this would be 0. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 8 plus 1 is 9, and then we have a 0 there. So 80 times 12 equals 960. Okay, now we're going to go to IXL Math D36 and do lattice multiplication. Okay, so let me pull up my computer. Okay, so they have all the answers in there, so now I ignore these outside numbers. 4, 8 plus 6 plus 6 would be 20. I carry a 2 up there. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 7 is 14. Carry a 1. Okay, so if you notice where the question marks are, they fill them in. 0, 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8, and then the 1. They put in the answer for you. Okay. We add these up. 4. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 6 is 16. We carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, and then our 1. Okay. Look, we're halfway to 100. 4 plus nothing, 8 plus 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0 plus 0, and then our 2. So 42 times 52 should be 2,184. Okay. That would be 0. 3 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 3 plus 0. And we don't have to put that one. Whoops, I'm sorry. That should be a 3. So, and that should be a 3. Oh, what is wrong with Mrs. T today? So, 330. Sorry about that, guys. I really do know what I'm doing. Okay. 8. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. And then we have our 4. So 69 times 72 is 4,968. Up here we have to do the multiplying. So 2 times, and you have to be careful, okay? 2 times 9 is 18. I put the 8 there and the 1 up there, okay? 2 times 6 is 12. We put the 2 there and the 1 up there. Okay, 1 times 9 is 9, so I put the 9 there and a 0 there. 1 times 6 is 6, so I put the 6 on the bottom and a 0 there. Now I can add 9. 8 plus 6 is 14. We carry 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4, and then we have our 1. So 69 times 21 should be 1,449. Okay. So 7 times 1 is 7. Put your 7 down there. We don't have tens. 1 times 5 is 5, so we put the 5 there. No tens, so we put a 0 there. 2 times 7 is 14. The 4 goes on the bottom. The 1 is in the tens. 2 times 5 is 10. We put a 0 there and that. So you can see 14, 10. Okay? Oh, sorry. So 4 plus nothing is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. And we have nothing there. So 57 times 12 should be 684. Okay. Let's see. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. You have to make it look like 12, like 4 would look, okay? 7 times 2 is 14. So that looks like 14. 7 times 6 is 42. If I go like that, that doesn't say 42, it says 24. So 40, whoops, I did it again. That should be the 2. And that should be the 4, okay? So now we do our adding. 4 plus nothing is 4. 4 plus 1 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then that would be 1. 62 times 27 equals 1,674. Okay? Let's see. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, that looks like 9. Sorry, guys. Keep bumping my camera. Or my iPad. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 2 is 10. Now we add. 5 plus nothing is 5. 9 plus 1 plus 0 is 10. Put your 0 down there. Carry your 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8, and then 0. So 23 times 35 should equal 805. Okay, 8 times 8 is 64. That looks like 64, okay. 8 times 2 is 32. 7 times 6 is 56, or 7 times 8, I'm sorry. 7 times 4 is 28. And now we do our adding. 6 plus nothing is 6. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 4 more is 17. We're carrying 1, so 1 plus 2 would be 3, plus 2 more is 5, plus 6 is 11, and we're carrying 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So 48 times 87 should be 4,176. Okay, 9 times 8, 72. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 9 is 81. And then 9 times 7 is 63. Notice this looks like 72. This looks like 56, 63, 81. Now we add 1. 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 2 more is 13. We carry the 1. So we have 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 6 more is 13, plus 7 is 20. So that's 0, and we're carrying 2. So that would be 7. 79 times 89 should be 7,031. Yay, we're getting them right. 3 times 1, 3. 9 times 1, 9. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 9 is 18. We start adding. 6 plus nothing. 8 plus 3 is 11, so we're carrying 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 9 is 11. Carry 1. So 93 times 12 should be 1,116. We should have one problem left, okay? 2 times 9 is 18. 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 Oop, sorry guys. 8 plus nothing would be 8. We had 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 8 more is 17. Carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 8 would be 10. Plus 1 more would be 11. Carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? So 99 times 22 should be 2,178. And we did it. So, whoops. Why isn't it turning my camera? Okay, boys and girls, if you stuck with me all the way to this point, you are done with math for today. Go to IXL and tell me your favorite color. Okay? So if you stuck with the whole video, go to IXL, or I'm sorry, go to Edmodo. Go to Edmodo and message me what your favorite color is. And if you want to practice this, you can, but honestly, you stuck with me on the whole video, so good for you. Have a great day.